You think you can just get away with it. You obviously know I'm there. Or am I just a pixel, a bug you can squish? It's not like you're the one behind it all. Every piece of it is falling to crumbles. Can't just pretend I'm not there, then get away with it. I am me, so I'll know who you are and what you're doing, 'cause I've known you. I know what you've done. I know what you do all the time. I know what you do. I know what you're like. You've been weird lately. Choose your best friend or another one. Anger, anger, every piece of life is crumbling. Every piece of sense that we are friends is falling down. Fight, 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 fight. Am I still even there? There, 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 there. Every piece is breaking. Oh no. You think that you can just get away. It's like you're a backstabber. 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 You are a backstabber. Am I still even there, or am I just a bug that you could crush? I am a human too. You are a human, I'm a human. We should care for one another, but it doesn't seem like. Are you the one behind this all? Are you the one that is the one? Are you the one? Are you? Are you?